Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to delete a Discord channel. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, you can use either the Discord app if you have that downloaded, or if you prefer to use the web-based version of Discord, then you can do that as well. The steps are exactly the same, so it's all down to personal preference. But in today's example, I'll be using the web-based application. So what I'm going to do is come across to discord.com and then just go ahead and log into my account. So to do this, just a quick heads up that you do need to be the server owner to delete channels, or you do need to have the appropriate permissions set up for the channel. So obviously like admin or moderator. What I'm going to do is just create a new channel and I'm going to call it example. We're going to have it as a text channel. So that's been created. So to actually get rid of this channel, it's actually really simple. All you need to do is locate the channel, and next to it you'll see a picture of a gear icon. What you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. And if you look at the menu on the left hand side, right at the bottom there's a red delete channel icon. If you go ahead and give that a click, and that's going to come up with a quick confirmation, all you need to do is hit the red delete channel button. And you'll see that that has now been deleted, and it's exactly the same for voice channels as well. So if you wanted to delete a voice channel, you just go ahead, click the gear icon, and again click delete channel, and you'll see that's going to remove the voice channel as well. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.